Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix File Explorer crashing or freezing after click on Home tab in Windows 11. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating File Explorer. Alright, para ma-fix natin yung crashing or freezing dito lang sa kanyang Home tab, ang next na gagawin natin dito ay click mo lang itong tatlong dot dito lang sa gitna na see more. And then, kailangan mo lang select yung option. And then, dito yung tinatawag na folder options. Alright? So, ang next na gagawin natin dito ay dito lang sa privacy ay kailangan lang natin i-uncheck yung show recent used file, show frequently used folders, and show files from office.com. So, uncheck lang natin yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong clear. And then, click mo lang yung apply. And then, click lang yung okay. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. And kapag naman corrupted din ang WinSor configurations, it might be affect your File Explorer performance at kailangan natin i-restart yung WinSor command. Para magawa natin yan, so dito lang sa ating start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar, ay search lang natin yung command prompt. Right? So ang next ay kailangan mo lang select yung run as administrator. Then dito sa ating administrator command prompt, kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na nest space WinSor space reset. Ayan, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan mga kaibigan. So successfully reset the WinSor catalog. You must restart a computer in order to complete the reset. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin ipipix yung File Explorer crashings or bracings after click on the Home tab in Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.